Meaning of fait accompli.
Fait accompli.
Fait accompli.
Fait accompli.
Fait accompli. Fait accompli is a French term that means an accomplished or irreversible act or fact. It describes a situation where something has already been done or decided and cannot be changed, therefore it is already an established fact. This term is often used to describe a situation where a decision has been made without consulting others, leaving them with no choice but to accept the outcome. Fait accompli can also refer to the result of a successful action, where the outcome is now a certainty and cannot be reversed.